What's happening? Hopefully this will help get some of you guys the much needed clarification for these problems. We have y equals mx plus b. We have to write an equation from this graph. So I think the easiest part is to see where this blue line crosses the y axis. That's called our y-intercept. It crosses at 5 or 0, 5, but we just put the 5 in the equation. And now what goes here? That would be our slope. How do we find the slope? We pick 2 points. And I like to say nice points where the crosshairs, right? See how I'm following those gray lines there? Right where 2 gray lines cross and this blue line crosses through. So looks like I have one of those situations right there. All right, now all I have to do then is do the rise. So that looks like 1 down, and the run looks like 3 over. So that's 1 and 3. And so I would have the fraction 1/3. But then last step, I have to say, is this a negative slope? As I go left to right, is it going down? And the answer is yes. So that is a negative slope. So I'm going to type in negative 1/3. And there we have it. Okay, let's try one more. All right, another negative slope. I immediately notice that. I look for where the blue line crosses the y-axis, and it looks like it crosses right at 7. Then I pick 2 nice points. I'll just use the y-intercept as one of them, and then I gotta follow until I hit one of those crosshairs. It looks like that's a good one. All right, because right, this gray line goes through it, this gray line goes through it, and the blue line goes through it. 3 lines go through it, so that's a nice point and easy to read. And so I can draw my slope in, and that would be 3 down, 1 over. Oh, it looks like the reciprocal of the last one we did. All right, so that's 3, and that would be over 1, and it's negative, right? So I could write 3 over 1, negative 3 over 1. But instead, I'm going to simplify that and just write negative 3. All right, let's check it. Yay! All right, hopefully that helps. Good luck.